everybody. I am Luca Bortolussi. I'm professor at the University of Trieste, and I'm the coordinator of this new master program in data science and artificial intelligence that is starting in 2023. This program is organized by the university with the support of CISA, ICTP, Area Science Park, which are research institutions of the area of Trieste. And it's a program focused on data science and artificial intelligence that are clearly very hot topics at the moment. And we can start with a quote, which says that artificial intelligence is the new electricity. This is, I think, more and more true in the sense that AI is pervasive and it touches every aspect of our life and all aspects of technology. We live in a world in which we produce a lot of data because of the digital technologies that we have. This amount of data is really increasing exponentially, and this is the reason of behind data science and the boom of data science. You need essentially a lot of tools to make sense of this data and bring value to this data and extract information and knowledge. Extracting information and knowledge is also one of the tasks of artificial intelligence, which more broadly is trying to reproduce and even surpass the cognitive capabilities of human beings. And also this technology is impacting in every possible field at the moment. There's a lot of success stories in playing games, for instance, or in taking decisions, in robotics, self-driving cars, applications in biology. AlphaFold, for instance, is an important tool which is now able to predict the structure of proteins and is bringing, for sure, quite an advance in the medical research. And of course, we live in these days in the world of ChatGPT and these chatbots. So let us just ask ChatGPT why you should actually enroll to this master program. So ChatGPT gave us three reasons. One is that you can have can have a job in a wide range of sectors, so from public administration to healthcare to industry to finance and to science. All these areas are requesting more and more this kind of professions to catch up with the artificial intelligence revolution. This master program will give you a deep understanding of the principles and the current state of the art in these technologies. And it's also a master program which will give you the opportunity to work in the field of AI, even in top-level international companies. So ChatGPT was a good sponsor for us. Thanks, ChatGPT. In terms of jobs, indeed, this choice is a very safe choice. There's a lot of job opportunities and this number is growing. These areas are getting more and more important in any possible field. So you can either work as a developer of AI data science applications or work in some application area where these kind of skills are needed, which means essentially every possible application area. Data science remains one of the best jobs according to some international ranking, and it's there since many, many years. And indeed, even if AI is changing the job market, clearly knowledge and skills in artificial intelligence will remain there, provided they are coupled with some understanding of programming and the basic. So what about this master program? Well, this master program is not coming from nowhere. Actually, it's an evolution of the previous master program that we had in Trieste, running since several years. So the master program was data science scientific computing. And this year, this master program is splitting, it's doubling. So data science and artificial intelligence is one of the two, the one I'm presenting now. And then there's another one in scientific and data intensive computing. All these master programs are international, so they are taught in English. And for the one in data science and artificial intelligence, it actually is organized in 4 different curricula. So one is more foundational and touches the principles and the current methodologies and the state of the art in AI and machine learning. This goes to deep learning, reinforcement learning, but also things like explainable artificial intelligence and a combination of classic and state-of-the-art deep learning, what is called neurosymbolic AI. And then there are other 3 curricula which are focused on the applications of data science and AI to 3 major branches. One is interest in cyber physical systems. So all these systems which are related to industrial production or self-driving cars, drones, and so on. The other one is in health and life sciences. So here the focus is on applications of data science and AI for medicine, for genomics, for neuroscience, for epidemiology. The last curriculum is on data science and AI for economy and society, where the applications are to business, to insurance, to social sciences, to finance. Just to give you a quick overview of what you are going to study if you choose this program, I will be very brief here, but I invite you to visit our website to get more information. So there are some courses that are common to all curricula that will give you the necessary skills that are needed for both data science and AI. So it's about advanced programming or machine learning operations. This is relevant. So whenever you see here something in green, it's because this course is actually, you can choose which one to take depending on your background. So if you're already strong in programming, you can go for machine learning operations. Otherwise, advanced programming is a good choice. And this is true for all green painted courses. So this gives you a certain flexibility in customizing your study plan depending on your background. So then you will do something on high performance cloud computing, potentially data management if you have not taken it before, statistical methods, introduction to machine learning if you have not taken a course in introductory course to machine learning, probabilistic and deep machine learning. This will be studied in depth, but also courses on ethics and law of data science and artificial intelligence, because we also need to be aware of the possible impacts and the legal framework in which you have to develop these applications. There will be some elective courses, internship and thesis. So each curriculum then has its own special courses that you can pick. So for instance, in foundations of AI and machine learning, you will take additional courses in machine learning and artificial intelligence, which includes optimization for AI, reinforcement learning, algorithmic data mining, some courses on more classic AI like symbolic and neurosymbolic AI or explainable reliable AI and so on. And then some other courses in machine learning and applications of machine learning, from computer vision to natural language processing, from supervised learning to advanced deep learning. In the curriculum of data science and AI for industry, instead, the focus is on the methodologies for optimization and control of industrial systems. So there's reinforcement learning, optimization, there's modeling and control of cyber physical systems in two parts. And then there are also a couple of courses which focus more in detail on the interface between current state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and machine learning with this control capability. So give you all the tools that you need to apply this to industrial problems. In the curriculum on data science and AI for health and life sciences, the focus is on the interface between data science and AI and medicine, life sciences, in particular, focusing epidemiology, genomics, neuroscience, and looking also at tools like simulation of complex systems, which are very helpful in this area. While the final curriculum on economy and society instead has a certain number of courses related to data science and the analysis and AI connected to business and to the analysis of business data, with a certain focus on statistics or maybe also finance and insurance. So that's more or less an overview of the curriculum. More details are in our website. Of course, you will have to do a certain number of elective courses that that you can choose among all those that you've seen there. Then there will be an internship and a thesis, which more or less account for a semester of work, 30 credits, and which can be either combined together. So you can do an internship and a thesis in a company, for instance, or in a research lab, or they can be also separate activities. Lectures here are in presence. They are recorded online, sometimes streamed, but the recommendation is to be here. Actually, they will be delivered in Trieste, in the university. Partially, some of them will be delivered in Sissa. To enroll to this master program, you have to apply. So there is a selection procedure. There is a limited number of positions, which is 65, which is still a visible number. 15 are reserved for non-EU students, and 50 are for EU students, including those of non-EU which may not be assigned. To enter, you need to have a certain background, so you need to have at least 9 credits in mathematics and at least 30 credits during your bachelor, which is a very strong requirement in areas of mathematics, statistics, computer science, physics, quantitative finance, or genetics and molecular biology. The application works, there are 2 windows to apply. One is April-May, the other one is July-August. Application is by submitting an online application, submitting data. Then we will check your CV, evaluate your CV, and then there will be an interview at the beginning of June and beginning of September. If you're admitted to the interview, we will interview you, we will check your motivations, we will check your background knowledge, and then you will be admitted. Applications actually are joined together with the other master program, scientific and data intensive computing. So once you apply, you have to express your preference for one master or the other master. If you're a working student, you can take a part-time enrollment, so decide to spread the master program in 3 or 4 years, while the normal duration is 2 years. Another important innovation that we have in data science and AI is that we will start from next year a certain number of double degrees. Double degree is they will be connected with the European University project, which University of Trieste is part, called Transform for Europe. So it's a consortium of European universities that is trying to build a sort of a European campus with a certain flexibility in movement of the students. And in particular, we are going to run double degrees with some of these partners of this project. Double degree means that you will spend the first semester of the second year in the foreign university, and you will have to do a thesis which is under a joint supervision of a professor of Trieste and a professor of destination, and then you will get both a degree from University of Trieste and a degree from the destination university. So for next year, for sure, we are going to have a double degree with Alicante in Spain, and very likely a double degree with Kaunas in Lithuania, and possibly already from next year, hopefully a double degree with the German University of Saarland. So at the moment, I thank you for the attention. Now I leave the stage to a couple of students that are enrolled to data science and that will tell you something about their experience. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. My name is Yuri Paglierani, and at the moment I am enrolled at the master degree in computing. In particular, I am enrolled in the track Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and I'm following the courses about Foundation of Artificial Intelligence. My background, in particular, my bachelor degree is in physics, and I have chosen this specific master degree. I have already studied a lot of topics related to physics and mathematics, and I wanted to deepen some concepts about applied mathematics, and in particular data analysis and machine learning. At the moment, I am at the second year, so I have followed the most of the courses, and in this particular in this master degree, you will find also students with different backgrounds. So I think that is a great opportunity in order to have some contamination about different kind of knowledges like statistics or informatics or mathematics or physics. So I think it is a great opportunity if you want to deepen your knowledge about machine learning and artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Gaia Marsic, and I'm attending the first year of the master degree in data science and scientific computing curriculum, artificial intelligence, machine learning. My background, I came from a bachelor in industrial engineering curriculum mechanics, and I would say that it's quite strange because it's not a natural path to follow with this master. But however, I decided to apply and was accepted in this program because of the interesting fields and possibilities after finishing the studies. As a matter of fact, I think that there's a revolution going on with this kind of technology, and one has to choose between being victim somehow of it or exploit the possibilities given by this situation. Also, Trieste in particular, because I found here a quite, I would say, high level of education. As a matter of fact, the program is associated with some main research, scientific companies and schools such as CISA. And today, for example, I'm here. Behind me, there's CISA, and I'm studying here, so I'm happy because I'm confident that after finishing this master, I would have a solid knowledge about the fields, and I will be yes, prepared either to continue in the academic field or also prepared to enter the world of the work.